Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to change the quantity on eBay items. If you're selling on eBay and you have more than one item in stock, setting the correct quantity is essential. Whether you're selling multiple units of the same product or restocking an item, adjusting the quantity properly ensures you don't miss out on sales or accidentally oversell. The tricky part is that quantity options don't always appear unless your listing format is set correctly. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. Click on My eBay. This takes you to your account dashboard. Inside My eBay, click on Selling. This opens your seller dashboard where all your listings are managed. Now go to Drafts. You can also select an active listing. Click on the item you want to edit. Scroll down until you find the pricing section. This is where you control price, format, and quantity. If your listing is set to auction or classified ad, you won't be able to adjust quantity properly. Change the format to Buy It Now. Clarification: only Buy It Now listings allow multiple quantities because buyers can purchase more than one unit instantly. Once the format is set to Buy It Now, you'll see the quantity field. Now enter the number of items you have in stock. For example, 1 equals single item and 3 equals 3 units available. After updating the quantity, review your listing and click List Item. Your listing will now reflect the updated quantity. Using eBay properly ensures better inventory control and smoother selling. To summarize, changing quantity on eBay involves going to My eBay, opening your listing, switching the format to Buy It Now, updating the quantity field, and saving your changes. This allows you to manage multiple items in one listing. And that's how to change the quantity on eBay items. It's a simple adjustment, but it plays a big role in how you manage your inventory and sales. If you're serious about selling, you need to treat your listings like a system. Everything should be accurate and up to date. Small mistakes like incorrect quantity can lead to canceled orders or unhappy buyers, so don't overlook this step. As you scale, keeping your inventory organized becomes even more important. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.